Welcome to this webinar finally, and we are going to talk about online workings today. Okay, along with your job, how can you start your extra earnings without affecting your existing work? So there will be two things which you are going to learn. Very first thing, how you can start your online working. The second thing, how you can convert your offline business to online business. As one person, Anilji is with us, who is doing teaching job, and as I assume, or I may ask him that he is teaching online or just offline. If he is teaching offline, then he can totally convert his offline business to online, and he can scale that up to the national or maybe international level. Okay, so how we are going to do this? I'm going to cover this in the webinar. So this webinar is for the people, these kind of people. First, for the students who is studying something and they can start earning in their part-time, because they are not having too much time to spend in working, because they have to take care of their studies as well. Housewives, as they have very less time, so they can do this task, and who want to create or convert their product. By product, I mean digital product. Okay, suppose someone is teaching something, someone is like having craft kind of thing which he is or she is teaching offline. They can take that whole thing from offline to online. Someone is in the specifically health field, so they can take their knowledge from offline to online. So these kind of things can be done with the use of few tools and few knowledge. And this webinar is for the people who is willing to make online money, right? Now, are you facing all of these problems? Insufficient income? We all are facing such kind of things, right? The income we are having, our family income, is not as much as we want. So we want to definitely increase that to grow our level. Second thing, want to use want to do the productive use of your time, because everyone uses at least 2 to 3 hours mobile in their daily routine. So using the same thing, if you want to do some productive things and make the use of that and increase your income with the same things, that will be great, right? Third thing, boring with your daily routine, so they can also do this. And fear of missing out, like we see everyone growing so fast. We see most of the things in the internet that people are growing so fast. They are achieving huge success in their life, but why we are missing out those things? So this creates like a kind of fear in our mind that are we going to missing these things in our life, when we are going to achieve such things in our life. So there is just one solution of all these things, that is start your earning online, right? Now, 5 reasons why people don't want to start online earning. Very first thing, they don't have that much technical knowledge. Second thing, they don't want to do huge investments in their online working. Third thing, they have lack of guidance. Fourth thing, they don't trust online world. That is bit but not natural. Okay. And fifth thing, and very important thing, they don't have the particular system that, okay, this is the system. If I follow this system step by step, I will definitely get such kind of results. Okay. So these things are taking too much our mind peace, that we are not going to do these things, because we are not having all these such things. We don't have technical knowledge. We don't want to give huge investment. We are not having proper guidance. We can't trust online world, and we are not having the proper system. that is giving the guarantee that if we follow it, if we work on that, we will get the success. Okay. So now, who am I and why I am telling you all these things? So my name is Shweta Dubey. Here's a small introduction about me. And I am the founder of AdyaITServices.com. Adya IT Services is a digital marketing agency that I am running from last 13 years and providing my services to worldwide client. Okay, this is the agency which I have created for myself. This is total ecosystem which is working in total autopilot mode. I have few people who are working here for my agency, not for this system. Okay, and I have all the online projects which I take online. I provide them online services, and all the payments and every stuff is online, right? So these are my few last presentations where I was called for presenting myself. This is from SEMrush, which was taken place in Bangalore. This is one college in my city, that is dental and engineering college. They called me for a presentation, and this is from their dental college only. And this is from Delhi, one event which I was speaking. Okay. So this was small introduction about me. Other than this, if you talk about personally, I'm married. I have a daughter, and when I started my working, she was just 10 months old. So along with that, my family, my daughter, if I can do it, anyone can do it. This is what I think. Okay. So next thing, we are going to talk about what kind of online businesses are available in the market. Very first is e-commerce or drop shipping. Okay, and this requires huge amount of money. You have to invest huge amount of money, then only you can come in this business. Second is blogging. We have one content writer here, so she can better understand that if a newbie wants to start blogging, he or she needs to have a lot of talent plus lot of writing skills. Then only he or she can provide good blogging and can survive in the market. I'm not talking about success. I'm just talking about survival in the market. Okay. Third is digital marketing or social media marketing. For this, you need to have complete training or complete internship. Then only you can learn these things, and then only you can start earning with your digital marketing or social media marketing, right? Third is affiliate marketing, which we are going to talk about today. So, what is affiliate marketing? Let me tell you, affiliate marketing has three kind of panels. One is merchant. Basically, affiliate marketing is selling someone else's product, and you are going to get commission out of it. In simple language, if I say, okay. So, very first thing, there should be a merchant who is having the product. Second thing is publisher. Second person is publisher, or group of people. We can call them publisher or affiliate marketer. And third is the customer to whom you are going to sell the product. So merchant has the product. He has created the product, maybe digital product or maybe physical product. I hope you all understand what the digital product is and what the physical product is. Physical product which you can see physically. Maybe that is mobile, your clothes, anything which is available online and that is available physically as well. This water bottle or anything which is physically available. And digital product which is mostly computer related products, kind of softwares, kind of courses, kind of tools. Those are the digital products. Okay, so two kinds of products are everywhere available, right? So merchant is having those products affiliate is selling those products and selling those products to the customers. So merchant has to create the product, do the advertisements and all, and take care of all stuffs, deliveries and everything. And publisher just has to sell that product and take the commission from the decided fixed commission. Okay, merchant is going to decide the commission, what percentage he is going to provide to the publisher, and the commission will be provided on the sale only. Okay, so this is the thing which we are going to talk most practically. Now, how is it possible? Why I am telling you this? See, this is the knowledge which I had to share. Now I am going to talk about my product. If you want, you can leave the session, because now I am going to talk about my product. If you want to listen, then you are most welcome, because this is going to provide huge value to your life. Okay. I have created a product that is digital course. The course is about to how anyone can start their online business and how anyone can create their own digital products and sell those products in the online world. This is my product about. Okay. Now you just need to have put little investment. Why investment? Because you need to buy the product. Until and unless you're not going to buy the product, this is not going to be useful for you. Because if I'm providing some value, I'm definitely going to charge you for this. Even if I give that you for free, I have given one free course as well. But if I ask you, have you seen all that free course and implemented that? I will get the answer no. Because if we get anything for free, we don't value that. This is the human nature. So the course is paid and you need to buy that course. Very first thing. Second thing, you need to have small skills and little experience of selling that. Okay. Other than that, I will be always there to support you in your sales. And you don't need to be lucky. You don't need to become my fixed employee. You don't need, I don't want any massive demands from you, and there is very little competition. Trust me on this. And where this is actually blue ocean now. Maybe few of you know about blue ocean theory, that there was an ocean where one whale was living there, and that whale was very happy because she was having lots of things to eat. Now, slowly, few more whales started coming over there, and they captured all the ocean. So, because the competition was there, then that ocean became red ocean. So, there is no competition or very less competition in affiliate market nowadays. Once there will be huge competition, till the time you will become a giant, then no one will be there to beat you. Okay, this is the time to grab the opportunity and get this course for you, and you can earn from the course. Now I'm telling you, I have told you that you have to invest, you have to buy the course. Very first thing, to earn online. Now how you are going to earn online, let me tell you that as well. Okay, this is the task that anyone can do from anywhere. There is no restrictions of age, there is no restrictions of place, no restrictions of time. Okay, so, and I will be there always for the training. There will be weekly live classes where I am going to tell you what you should do. You can ask me the questions, whatever problems and questions you are facing, and we can get this shot along with the work. Okay, so I'm stopping this for now and sharing another screen with you. This is my website. You must have seen this, because all the people available over here have come from the YouTube advertisements, right? So this is my website. Here you can see register for free. Anyone who registers for free, he can get the course of free earning course. Okay. Other two courses are paid. The startup earning course The cost of startup earning course is 5,000 rupees, 4999. Cost of exclusive earning course, you need to pay 10,000 rupees, 9999. Okay. So what you are going to get in these courses? If you get these courses, you are going to learn how to start your online business and how to make money online. I'm working from 13 years and I have given all the knowledge of my experience in all these two courses. This is the startup course and this is the exclusive course where step by step you will learn each and everything. The course is in the video form with all the screen sharing and practical works. Okay, so you have to do the work with me so that you can establish your business along with the course. Okay, and there will be weekly classes as I told you, and so you can come up with the questions anytime you want. Second thing, there is option of affiliate dashboard. If you can see, when you click on the affiliate dashboard, you can see here the 60% commission, total earning and etc. All the functions are given here. If you buy the course, you will be eligible to sell the same course. Very first thing. And the commission is 60%, which no one is going to give you. There's nowhere 60% commission is available in the market in digital courses, right? And you forget about physical courses, physical products, because in physical products, if you check in Amazon, they allow you to be an affiliate and they just give 4, 5 or maximum 10% commission in their product, and the cost of product is very less, so you can like imagine how much you are going to earn. Okay, now you will get one ID, unique link of your affiliate dashboard. So you need to promote the product with this link only so that you can convert your traffic to the commission. 60% commission means if you sell the course of 5,000 rupees, you will receive cost of 3,000 rupees. Okay. And if you sell the course of 10,000 rupees, you will receive the commission of 6,000 rupees. So it's up to you that how many sales you can take it for these courses. I will be giving you step-by-step formula that how you are going to make the sales and how you are going to get the converting customers. So this training will be just free of cost. Okay. So I am giving you. You can ask me if you have any questions. I am here to answer. If you have any queries related to the course, related to the affiliate system, or related to anything, you can just type in the chat box. These are the links of the courses, payment links. You can just click on the link and make the payments. Once you make the payment, I will take you to another webinar where we will discuss about the sales, how you can make the sales for your courses and how you can get the commissions, generate the commissions for yourself from today only. Okay. So the people who are available here, can you please tell me what do you think about the course and what do you think about the affiliate system? There is no other platform available where you are going to get the course along with the affiliate system. From your course, can I do affiliate marketing for what? Can I do affiliate marketing for other products? Yes, definitely, because I'm teaching you over there in the course how to do affiliate marketing in other platforms. I have described all other platforms which are available in the market, top most marketing platforms, how you can get registered over there, how can attach yourself over there, how can you take the best selling, best gravity products from there, and how you should sell those products in the online world. So everything is given in the course itself. Okay. Suppose this is what I'm charging. This is for course, guys. This is not for affiliate. Affiliate is coming along with the course. And if you want, you can do the affiliate marketing of the same course as well, because you are going to get a huge commission over there. So you will have something in your head already. When you learn how to work online, you will have something in your head already to sell. Very first thing. And second thing, now you are selling the product of other people, because I'm not you, okay? I'm the other person. Or if you go to the other platforms, they are not, the products available there are not your products, right? In the course itself, I'm teaching you that how you can create your own product and how you can generate money from there. I have already sent proposal, a business tie-up. It's, if it's yes, please let me know. Okay. What is that like? Can you please tell me this thing in the? I think you must have my WhatsApp number, right? So please text me over there. Okay. I will be waiting for your text, because I cannot, until and unless I don't know the proposal, how can I reply, right? So you text me over there, because this once this meeting will be closed, I will not be having your contact. Okay. So you are in the group, and I am the admin on that group, so you can find me easily, and you can text me over there, right? If anyone has any questions, those are most welcome. And nice to see you guys here. आप लोगों ने बहुत टाइम दिया, and I'm very pleased कि आप सब आए, आपने इतना टाइम दिया, मुझे सुना, and I hope to work with you. This is the growth of both of us. You need to understand one thing. मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, आई एम रनिंग द एड्स ऑलरेडी. उस एड के थ्रू मैं ऑटोमेटिकली अपना कोर्स इजीली सेल कर सकती हूँ. Okay, so but I'm not doing that because I want everyone to grow, because I have gone through such a situations in my life. After marriage, I was working in the company that was a digital marketing agency. I got the job over there luckily, because I have done MA in English, and after that I have done MBA after my marriage. So the situations were very worse. Like if I were not having that job, then I don't know what, I don't have words even. But from there I have learned everything. I have achieved this level that I am running this company from last 13 years. I am teaching people. I am providing my services to the offshore client. This is all about the ecosystem I have created for myself. वो सारा का सारा ecosystem I have given in the course. So if you buy this course, this is my promise, you are not going to regret. But अगर आपने ये miss कर दिया, then the course charges of the courses are going to increase. And I'm doing this because I want everyone else to grow. I don't want anyone to like be in the space where they are having lack of money. Okay. In case I decided later to buy your course, how to contact you? Amit, you can definitely contact me. I am in the WhatsApp group. Are you in the WhatsApp group, right? Which I have created for the people from where you have got this link. And you can contact me in Facebook group. But Amit, you need to take the action now. You know why? Because the charges of the course is going to increase. Okay, 5,000 वाला कोर्स 10,000 का हो जाएगा, 10,000 वाला कोर्स 15,000 का हो जाएगा, और एक और एक्सक्लूसिव कोर्स आने वाला है that will be 20,000 rupees. इसमें आपके लिए बेनिफिट क्या है? If you buy it now, so आपने तो ये कोर्स 10,000 का परचेज किया, ठीक है, उसका चार्ज हो गया अब 15,000, बट आपका कमीशन तो 60% ही है ना. सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सेल दैट प्रोडक्ट, तो आपको कमीशन 60% ही मिलेगा, राइट. So I think this meeting is going to end now because there are 3 admins. Okay, yeah, Shweta Dubey, 9990366692. Guys, this meeting is going to over. Take the links and thank you very much. I'm so grateful to you that you joined. आपने इतने अच्छे से सुना and I hope that you will buy this course, and definitely this is going to be helpful for every one of us. Okay, good luck for your future if you buy or you don't buy, but I pray to God that every one of you get the success which you want in your life. And happy Father's Day to everyone. Take care of yourself. So see you in the next webinar. Okay, bye bye, take care, good night. This is my number because few people are asking, so I am giving this number to everyone. And आप मुझे Facebook में easily connect कर सकते हो, मुझे आप Instagram में follow कर सकते हो, श्वेता दुबे 83. ओके, वहाँ पे मैं always available होती हूँ because and this is only me who replies you. Okay, मेरे मोबाइल्स एंड मेरे कंप्यूटर्स कोई टच नहीं करता है, सो दिस इज ओनली मी हु ऑलवेज रिप्लाई यू, तो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो कर लें, फेसबुक ग्रुप्स में आप टेक्स्ट कर दें, मे बी आपको थोड़ा सा लेट रिप्लाई मिलेगा पर डेफिनेटली मिलेगा, whether you join it or not. But if you have anything, any queries related to online working, you can always reach me. Okay, thank you very much, and finally I am leaving. Good night, take care. Oh, sorry, this number is not correct. 999, it's 99930366692. By mistake, I wrote 93. किसी और को मैसेज मत कर देना, नहीं तो वो दिक्कत करेगा. Okay, 99930366692. Please write it down, guys. किसने personally पूछा था? 999303666. I know it is on right now. ठीक है? Okay, thank you very much.